After spending the whole semester learning about social justice and education, I think the biggest piece of advice I would give myself if I had to go back and do high school all over again is to always remember the difference between equality and equity. This is the image that I constantly think of when I think of what I learned in this class. I think it does a great job illustrating the difference between equality and equity, an incredibly important theme of this course. We learned so much in this class that connects to the idea of equity instead of equality, but one of the things that really hit home for me was when we watched the video comparing and contrasting the two different high schools in the same community. The way the schools from one community seem like a completely different world from each other shows how not everybody starts from the same place socially, and why equality is not the right solution. I attended a high school that was dangerously similar to the well-off one in that video. My community was mostly upper-middle-class white families and was very small and sheltered. Just one town over, there was a high school with significantly less resources than my own and was much closer to the less well-off school in the video. Coming from my community in high school gave me a socially constructed advantage over an otherwise similar student coming from just one town over because of the resources that I had access to and they didn't. I think it's very important that everybody have access to the same resources in education, a feat that won't be accomplished until socially constructed advantages and disadvantages are wiped away, showing why equity is the right way to go.